Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in an Infiniti G37. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 5½ quarts of new 5W30 oil and a new oil filter. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Now let's drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the vehicle's oil pan. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow the oil to drain completely, which usually takes several minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter and use your oil filter wrench to remove it. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Now, carefully pour about 5½ quarts of the recommended 5W30 engine oil into the fill port. For the final steps, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the low and full marks. Add a small amount of oil if needed. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.